Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today we're going to do another quick eyeshadow swatch video, and I'll be swatching all 35 shades of the new Morphe X Nikita Dragun eyeshadow palette. Now I did just do a full review of this palette and I did this whole look on yesterday's video, so make sure after you watch this video all the way through that you go check out that video so you can watch me recreate this look and give you all my thoughts and everything on this palette. So let's just jump right into some swatching. So to get started we have Nicholas, we have Augmented, and we have Shapeshifter. Very light shadows. How about I zoom in for you guys? Now I have Prima Donna, Seduction, and Temptation. Next we have Nasty, Fatale, and Artificial. Next we have Artificial, Pussycat, and Escort. Now we have 703, Papi Chulo, that's gorgeous, and Nick. Next up we have Cyborg, that's amazing, BB Boy, and Metamorphosis. Next we have Katana, which is, wow, that's beautiful. We have Azula, that's gorgeous, also the name of one of my favorites. And we have Game Over. Those are stunning. Alrighty, we're a little over halfway done. We have MTF, Estrogen, and Sakura. Next up we have Nikita, ABG, and Mama Dragon. Mystique, Full Fantasy, and Army. Now when we get to the last couple shades, just please ignore any irritation on my arm. It's just because I'm scrubbing my arm in between swatching. So next we have Shigo. We have, I don't know how to say this, but it looks like a Raisingin. I don't know, you know it's wrong, I know it's wrong. And we have Peacock. And the last two shades are Nagoyan, I think that's how you say it. Sorry if I pronounce any of these wrong, which I'm sure I am. And we have Matrix. Ready for this? Oh yes, you know it. I know it. Alrighty guys, that was all 35 shades from the new Morphe X Nikita Dragun eyeshadow palette. I hope you enjoyed this little swatch video. If you did, please make sure you go check out, once again, my full review and tutorial of this palette. I just posted it yesterday, so it's nice and fresh for you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, as usual, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button to join my YouTube family. Turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.